Welcome everyone. My name is Bart and you are watching a PhoneReco channel. Today I have iPad Air with the Wi-Fi issue. So let's begin and we'll see what's going on with this device. Great news! Wi-Fi is fixed even without connected battery. Not battery, even connected aerial antenna. Yes, so I need to clean it, put it back together and call the client. But the main thing is done. So Wi-Fi is working. Yeah, so if you're changing a Wi-Fi, you need to be careful because you can easily overheat the chip and you can easily break it. So the best way is to use heat platform, and then you can change temperature for a bit lower and then unsolder the chip. So be careful if you remove the chip. You can buy the new one, of course, but if you have a donor, so you can replace. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.